Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys do not miss on any of the profits that we make on a regular basis. As you guys can clearly see that when we were discussing the gold analysis yesterday, market was trending over here, and when then we marked this area as our area of short-term resistance and this area as our area of short-term support. You guys can clearly see that market and once closed above our area of resistance, then market continued to give us very good profit. So let me take this long position for you guys. So if I take this entry, this will be a risky entry, and this trade would have given us very good profit, and that this trade would still be running in some good profit. Okay, approximately 7.7% profit this trade would have given to us. Then afterwards, once again market retested our area of resistance and closed above our area. From there we could take a safe entry in this scenario of gold, and we will be making a profit of approximately approximately 4.8%, and we will still be running in some profit. Okay, so both of these scenarios, the risking buying scenario and the retest, which is the safety where both were executed perfectly, and then several double bottoms were executed as well from here. And if you guys were vigilant, then a bottom was created over here, and then almost this bottom was tested over here, and so this would have acted as a double bottom and this would have acted as a triple bottom. So if you guys are vigilant, then you guys could have made some very good profits from these bottom entries as well. So if you guys would have taken an entry over here, your stop loss would be just below this candle, and this trade would have given you guys a profit of approximately 6.2%. And upon the triple bottom area over here, this trade would have given us a profit of approximately 4.7%, which is again very good. So now let me mark the new areas of support and resistance for you guys, so you guys can easily do trading tomorrow as well. So for that, let me have a look at the 4-hour chart. Do I have anything available in the recent area? No, I do not have anything in recent. So let me have a look at the 1-day chart. Yes, so in the 1-day chart, we are currently at one of our very top resistances. So this area would definitely act as an area of resistance, and market would definitely try to retrace from this area a little bit. And the closest area of support will be approximately this area. This will be the closest area of support from here. Okay, so now let us go back to the 1-hour chart and see that what we can do. So you guys, so let me zoom in a little for you guys. So yes, so this the support area will be approximately over here. Okay, and the resistance will be approximately here, and this support will be moved over here. Okay, so now let me move these scenarios. Okay, so you guys can easily do trading tomorrow as well, and there is no confusion for you guys. And if there is anything else that you guys would like to know further, just let me know in the comment section, and I will make sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. And if there is anything that I can help you guys out with, just let me know about that as well. And if you guys are enjoying and making some very good profits by following our scenarios, just let me know about that as well in the comment section, so more people can benefit and more people can enjoy and they can follow the the same scenarios as well. Okay, so will be the entry levels. So just be vigilant for these areas and just follow this key. And these scenarios have been marked for you guys. So just be vigilant, and you guys will be making very good profits tomorrow as well. Okay, thank you. That's all for the today's video of the gold analysis. I will see you guys tomorrow with the fresh scenarios. Till then, take care and do hit that subscribe button if you guys have not yet clicked it. Thank you.